Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Nothing Ear Open, a unique pair of open-ear true wireless earbuds designed to offer a blend of comfort, sound quality, and innovative design. Whether you're an athlete, a commuter, or someone who enjoys staying aware of your surroundings while listening to music, these earbuds have something to offer. Let's explore their features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The Nothing Ear Open features a distinctive transparent design, staying true to Nothing's signature aesthetic. The earbuds are lightweight, weighing just 8.1 grams each, and come with a flexible ear hook made from skin-friendly silicone material. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit, even during extended use. The earbuds and the case are rated IP54 for dust and water resistance, making them suitable for workouts and outdoor activities. Sound quality. The Ear Open is equipped with 14.2mm titanium-coated dynamic drivers that deliver a rich and immersive sound experience. The custom diaphragm reduces distortion and enhances low frequencies, providing deep bass and clear highs. The earbuds also feature bass-enhanced technology and an advanced EQ, allowing users to customize their sound profile through the Nothing X app. Performance. The Nothing Ear Open offers impressive performance with its Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, ensuring a stable and efficient wireless connection. The earbuds support multi-point connectivity, allowing you to connect to two devices simultaneously. They also feature AI-powered clear voice technology for improved call quality, making them ideal for hands-free communication. Battery life and charging. The earbuds provide up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge, with the charging case extending the total battery life to 30 hours. The case charges via USB-C, and a quick 10-minute charge provides up to 2 hours of playback. However, the earbuds do not support wireless charging. Connectivity and features. The Nothing Ear Open supports Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-point connectivity, allowing seamless switching between devices. The earbuds can be controlled using physical buttons, which can be customized through the Nothing X app. The app also provides access to various sound settings and firmware updates. Versatility and use cases. The Nothing Ear Open is versatile and suitable for various use cases, including outdoor activities. The open ear design allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying your music. Workouts. The secure fit and IP54 rating make them ideal for exercise and outdoor activities. Daily commutes. The lightweight design and long battery life make them perfect for daily use. User experience. Users have praised the Nothing Ear Open for their comfortable fit, stylish design, and good sound quality at moderate volumes. However, some users have noted that the sound quality can be affected at higher volumes and in noisy environments. The lack of wireless charging and active noise cancellation are also mentioned as potential drawbacks. Price and value. The Nothing Ear Open is priced at $149, offering good value for their unique design and features. While they may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, they provide a solid listening experience for those who prioritize comfort and situational awareness. Conclusion. The Nothing Ear Open is a stylish and comfortable pair of open-ear earbuds that deliver good sound quality and practical features. Whether you're an athlete, a commuter, or someone who enjoys staying aware of your surroundings, these earbuds are a great choice. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.